Hey everybody, it is Ro. As you can see, my garage is a mess. It's springtime in 2 days. It's officially springtime. So we're gonna get this garage cleaned up. First thing I'm gonna do is start by taking this pallet out and stuff. It was just leaning up against the fence right there, but the Indiana weather a couple days ago, we damn near had a tornado, so I had to bring all this stuff in. There's a little BMW right here I bought to flip. Really clean. 2008. Look at the chrome on it. Chrome clean as hell. The inside clean, doors locked right now. Real nice BMW. So I'm gonna start by pulling this stuff out. All right, we're starting to get it cleared out a little bit. As you can see, here's like some lighting products and stuff. That's because I decided to buy a lot of lighting products on Marketplace for $300. It was like 100 items for $300. And so I was just trying to flip them like I do this car. You got to do multiple things in life to be able to survive today, because a job ain't enough. So we're starting to get it cleared out. Now I'm gonna take my wife's kayak down, brand new. She ain't used it yet. She likes to go kayaking a lot. She bought this during the winter. It was on sale at Walmart for like half off. Now it's nice. She's gonna start doing that again. So I'm gonna pull this kayak down so I can start putting all the tools up and everything from probably the last time I did an oil change or something. Now we gotta put these tools up. They've been probably sitting here like this for the last 3 months. Got a flashlight, it's probably dead. Yep, it's dead. I'll go through all this stuff and put it up. Alright, we got all that cleaned up. There's a little bit of coolant, some trash. This coolant over here. The other coolant and all of my other shit. Alright, I got the battery charging for the leaf blower. Get this thing leaf blowed out. And go on the other side on that counter and clean that stuff up. Alright, we're starting to get it cleaned up over here. Got 7 quarts of oil right here and a filter for the next oil change. Gotta keep up with that. Got some ultra platinum exclusively for SRT. You cannot get this at the auto parts store. You gotta order it online. At least I can't near me. So, the rest of it down here. And we're gonna get to sweeping this area up, and we'll be back. Starting to look good in here. Got my stuff to wash my car. It's almost out. McGuire's, you already know, it's the best. I got all my rags stuff inside in a bag. I gotta rewash them. So I'm gonna take these, put them over here. I'll take this shovel, put it where it goes. So you gotta take these and put them where they go. Alright. Garage clean, everything looking good. Besides a couple things we gotta put up in the corner, a couple things we gotta get rid of. Other than that, we looking good. To end the video, you already know we gotta go make a couple pulls. That's that E85 startup.